Now, more and more people have gray hair at a young age, which is pretty annoying. Today, I will tell you a few tricks to make your hair darker again. Hello, welcome to Dr. Fish Health Channel. I'm Dr. Fish. I've talked about white hair before and introduced the ins and outs of white hair in detail. Those who are interested can take a look. Today, I will briefly talk about the reasons of gray hair and a few very practical ways to make your hair dark again. There are 4 main reasons. The first one, family inheritance. Parents have gray hair at a young age. Children usually have gray hair early. There is not much to be done. The second one is physiological gray hair. Generally, people over the age of 40 will gradually have white hair, which is a normal physiological phenomenon. This may be improved by increasing blood circulation through exercise. The third type is malnutrition gray hair, which is lack of raw materials. It is caused by long-term picky eating or fast, or because of anemia or certain other diseases, which make the body lack of trace elements that produce melanin. And since this is caused by man-made reasons, we can correct it by improving the diet and supplementing trace elements. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the liver is for storing blood manifest with hair, and the kidney is for storing the acids, and its vigor is presented by the hair. Therefore, our hair is most closely related to liver and kidney. Nourishing liver blood and kidney qi can promote the growth of black hair. Here, I will show you a dietary porridge that nourishes the liver and kidneys, called double black porridge. 50 grams black sesame, 150 grams black beans, 30 grams of wolfberry, and 5 walnuts with appropriate amount of rice together, once a day for a period of time. In addition, women with gray hair are mostly caused by insufficient liver blood, with symptoms such as dull complexion, low menstrual flow, and light color. So you can eat more blood-rich food such as pig liver, donkey hide gelatin, jujube, spinach, etc. In addition, we can also use hair combing to soothe the meridians of the head, increase local blood circulation, and stimulate the pores to produce melanin with a wooden comb or your fingers. Comb your hair 100 to 200 times a day to stimulate your scalp. You can also use a hair dryer to blow your head. It can heat the scalp and increase blood circulation. The third trick is to lie flat or lower your head and raise your feet like this to increase blood flow to the scalp. Well, the above-mentioned methods are for the lack of nutrients and blood, and by nourishing and increasing the blood circulation in the head to artificially supplement the nutrition of the hair so as to produce more melanin and promote black hair. The fourth reason is called mental gray hair, which is also the most common white hair of young age. It is the overdraft type, which means that the raw material for black hair is wasted due to staying up late for a long time, stress and lack of rest, causing liver and kidney deficiency, and the tension can cause scalp capillary spasm and prevent dermal papilla to produce melanocytes. Therefore, the focus of our treatment is to Besides nourishing the liver and kidney, it's also important to improve life habits. Try to work and rest on time every day. Not stay up late. Go to bed before 11 at night. Reduce your stress, relax your mind, and maintain a happy mood. All this will reduce the loss of liver and kidney acids, and after some time, the black hair can be reborn. In addition, there are several other methods that can be used for this type of gray hair. One is to knock the gallbladder meridian. We know that the liver and gallbladder correspond to each other, and the liver can be regulated by stimulating the gallbladder meridian. It is helpful for gray hair caused by stress. The gallbladder meridian of our body is on both sides of our lower limbs. You can tap it 200 times a day, either with your palm or loosely with your fist. You can do this while watching TV. In addition, there is a point on the gallbladder meridian specifically for the treatment of gray hair called fubai. This point is just above the tip of the ears and into the hairline, slightly back and upwards. Kneading this point for 5 minutes a day for some time will make your hair gradually black. Well, the above points are to relieve your tension and make our hair black through diet, changing lifestyle, and head massage or raising the legs to increase the blood flow of the head, and tap the gallbladder. When the blood is fully nourished, our hair will gradually turn black. And about the location of the gray hair, Chinese medicine also has some saying. If it's in the forehead, it means that there is a problem with the spleen and the stomach. If it's in the temple, it is habitability disorders, which means the stress. If it is the back of the head, it's caused by kidney deficiency. Therefore, we can judge which part of the body has a problem. The last way is to dye your hair, which can instantly darken your hair. There are two main types of hair dyeing. One is chemical dyeing. This kind of hair dyeing is relatively easy and doesn't take a long time to dye, and the effect lasts relatively longer. However, the chemicals may cause allergies and some adverse irritation to the body. The other type of dye is from plant. There is basically nothing bad for the body. You can use it with confidence. But its disadvantage is that dyeing time is slow and it can't last for a long time. The color is washed off with each wash and needs to be dyed frequently. Well, that's all for today, and hope this video can help you solve the problem of gray hair. May you have a black, shiny hair again. Nowadays, we have many young people who feel oblivious, memory loss, and it's worrisome. So we are going to talk about how to enhance your memory next time, and hope you'll join us again. If you like my talk today, please give me a thumb up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you won't miss the video in the future. Thank you for watching. Wish you and your family healthier. See you next time.